This lesson will cover mapping the mandibular nerve in the CS 3D imaging software. By the end of this class, you should be able to trace a panoramic curve, map the mandibular nerve canal or canals, and perform linear measurements. In order to analyze a 3D volume for extraction, implant placement, or just general visualization, you may want to clearly identify the mandibular nerve canal. In order to trace a nerve, you must be in the Curved Slicing tab, and you must have constructed a panoramic image. If no panoramic image has been created, or if you would like to redraw the panoramic image to better reflect the nerve canal, simply click on the tool to manually create an arch. If you are replacing the arch, you will see a message letting you know that this will delete your previous arch. Click Yes to retrace the arch curve. At this point, you will see an axial image in the upper left of the screen with a slider bar underneath. Move the slider bar slowly to the left, and as you move inferiorly, you will begin to visualize relevant anatomy, such as areas of the canal visible distally and the mental foramen more anteriorly. Try to visualize the most distal aspect of the canal, then click the Manually Create an Arch tool. You will create your arch with a series of left clicks to define the curve. But as you move along the arch from distal to mesial, manipulate the slider bar so that you continue to see the canal all the way up to the mental foramen. To complete your arch, use a double left click. You should now see two additional images on the right side of the screen, a panoramic style view and a transaxial view. The panoramic image may look a little strange, as in this example it is only a 180 micrometer thick slice along the arch curve that we defined. To make it look more like a traditional radiograph, you can always use the Set Integration drop-down to increase the slice thickness. Use the same drop-down to change it back. To map the nerve canal, it's important to remember the color-coded nature of the movement handles. The cross-sectional view has a blue tab in the upper right corner. This references the blue movement handle in the panoramic image. What we see in the cross-sectional view is a vertical cross-section along the long axis of this movement handle. Use the large blue ball in the panoramic image to left-click and hold and move until we can see the mental foramen. Click to activate the nerve canal tool, then click once outside the mental foramen and then once inside. After marking these points, move up to the panoramic image and continue clicking along the canal to mark the nerve. Remember, you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse to move the panoramic curve facially or lingually to make the canals stand out. Double-click to finish the nerve. Once finished, you can move to the transaxial view to check your work. Scroll the mouse wheel to move through the slices and check the accuracy of the nerve placement. If the nerve needs to be adjusted, left-click and hold on any of the movement nodes to modify placement. Repeat these steps if there's another nerve to be traced. Once you have traced your nerve, it's very easy to take measurements. Use the blue movement handle in the panoramic image to locate your region of interest. Note that the smaller of the two blue balls may be used to adjust angular orientation. To take a measurement, click the ruler tool in the toolbox, move to your region of interest, and do a single click at the first point, then another single click to finish the measurement. Multiple measurements may be done the same way. If you have questions about this or any of our products, please contact us at 800-944-6365 or visit us on the web at carestreamdental.com. Please also take note of the system requirements for best software performance.